In today's video, we're going to have a look at how my Q4 has went. We've been talking about it on the channel. We've been chatting about it in the Discord. This Q4 was going to be the biggest period in terms of my personal Amazon FBA business, but also in terms of Deal Hunters. We have a lot to get through in this video, so stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone, to Deal Hunters. I hope, of course, you are all well. How is everybody's Q4 going? Please leave your comments down below. I would love to know. Tomorrow, as I said, I'm going to pack up my last box and ship it in, meaning that we're only 11 days away from Christmas Day itself. I have noticed that over the last sort of fortnight that any boxes that I have been shipping in has been taking a week or more for Amazon to check them in. Even though they're being delivered, they can sit for 3 or 4 days. This is common practice. It always happens in my experiences of Q4. I've probably pushed the boat out a bit more. The inventory was just flying out, as most of you will know if you watch the Deal Hunters Instagram or the Facebook pages or the TikTok, wherever you get the other social information, the short content, the sort of live content. That's the best place to get us on Deal Hunters FBA. These videos I'm going to show you will have all been put on those social platforms. Guys, ready? Got the box all packed up, haven't we? Little man's way to bed. You're back from school?
Yeah.
Let's hit print.
Yeah.
Yo! You rabbit.
Yeah.
Gentle. Easy. There you go. Yo-ho! Do you want to stick them on the big box? Okay. Come on over. Let's go. Right. You put them here and you put them here.
Rose.
Good girl. Okay. Good girl. And the next one.
Great work, everyone. Let's take these letters for a ride.
Nice and gentle. Good girl. Aye, I'll do. Alright. No worries. Thank you very much. Good help, aren't you? Ta-ta. Say bye.
Bye.
I do have my fulfillment center in England. Mostly had to get that because of the initial stage of I can't ship anything home. I back to Northern Ireland, so you have to have a fulfillment center, which is one of the sort of unnecessary downsides to the whole Amazon FBA in terms of a Northern Irish seller. But that aside, I have my fulfillment center and they deal with all of my huge sort of they deal with all my big orders. Now, what I actually have control of is my local supplier, wholesale supplier, which provides me with toys. So just had my local supplier provide some toys. So this is the final push for Q4 in terms of me manually doing it. So yeah, we have enough stuff that we're getting through here, hoping to get about 5 boxes shipped into Amazon today. And we'll see where we'll go. Another cool thing about having a toy supplier is you can get an extra overbox of one-off items that you can get discount on and give to your kids. I was toying with the idea of doing another big order at the start of the month. I delayed it by a week and I regret that because what I actually ended up doing was going last week at last minute panic and went in and bought another 1,500 quid worth of toys. There we go. How are you? Just letting you know, another box packed up. And this one underneath all the rubbish. Another box packed up. So what I did today is phone my wholesaler, and I was going to be that side of town. I phoned my wholesaler, and on my lunch I went and loaded up my car with about 1,500 quid worth of wholesale stuff, and just over the last 2 hours got in about 5 o'clock, started packing up in 2 hours, 2 boxes, 180 odd units, by 500 quid profit. And still they have not been checked in. So now I'm probably going to end up with a lot of bloody toy inventory, which is something that I didn't want to do, and initially, hence why I delayed it. But by the end of sort of the first week of December, all my toys were virtually running very low, and I knew I would be short. So I'm hoping the boxes that I've shipped last week will be checked in any day now, And hopefully over the next 5 days, a lot more inventory will shift, making the whole process worth it. But look, I this blew away my expectations. 190 units, just shy of it, 188 units in 2 boxes. And aye, easy 500 quid profit in between those 2 boxes, like, so not bad for a couple of hours work. For those that don't know, I've been selling on eBay platforms for 15 years now. Different things, not massive. Usually buy a good deal here and there, find things, resell, all that type of thing. It was only from doing my other YouTube channel and opening up more revenue streams, Amazon FBA became something that I thought, yeah, why not? There's another source of putting money into something and watching it grow as an investor. That's what I'm all about, really. I've done it in properties, I've done it in reselling, literally anything at all. If there's a deal, some way to make money, I usually have a go at it. I'm really loving Amazon FBA a lot. 96 units, baby. Let's get it. Something satisfying about that. The team that we've built at Deal Hunters and the expertise, some of the members in Deal Hunters are doing scary numbers. I'm more just the face, the YouTube guy. But there's some of these people have made 50, 60 grand this Q4, and that's just like goal aspirations. I'm nowhere near those types of levels, but I am gradually building it up. Like I said, this isn't something that I want to be completely all in on at this stage. I'm very content with how my hybrid sort of mix is going. It's to complement my other investments, my other interests, my work, all of that. And that's it. Nighttime, 3 done. Rubbish to clear up, car to be parked, but that's it. All done, parcel ready to go. So productive day, all in all. About 4 hours. This is a shipment that came into my garage. We're getting it packed up. Are you helping me with my big order today? You ready to help?
Bye.
You learning the trade, aren't you? Oh. What's in that? Will we let you keep one? I think so. You get it out.
I get it.
Can you get it?
Get it.
You get it. Which one?
Get it.
You pick one. Which one do you want? Do you want a Thomas one? Oh.
Damn it.
Train? Can you say choo-choo? Good boy. Now we're in eating lunch, aren't we, son? Still trying to do this box, aren't we? Jasper, you helping me? But this Q4 is by far, I am 10 times better off than what I did last Q4, straight off the bat. And right, son, so now we're in here, trying to show you how you do this jazz with a wee one. Pretty much, it takes you about 10 times longer, but it is doable. We're just watching programs, having a wee bit of a chill. We take wee breaks, don't we, son? He enjoys playing with all the boxes. You fire it all into a box, you've got the laptop on the go. It's a bit mental, isn't it? But we get it done, don't we, son? Oh, yeah. I had the task of looking after my son. Another feature that I try to show a lot of on the channel is actually doing this as a father. Because this is going to be a lot of people's current situation. It could be something that they're looking to do as a side hustle, and that's kind of entry level for a lot of people. They start off just looking to make £200-300 extra a month or whatever it may be, and then it grows and snowballs. It's very addictive. It started off for me, I was just give it a go. If I can make 300-400 quid extra, couple hundred quid a week, I'd be happy with that. Got to that point after about 6 months, and now it's just like, I wonder, can I do £5,000 profit in a month? You know, it's just snowballs like that. And you can do a lot of this with your son. Obviously, it's not practical. You wouldn't want to be doing this full time. But the odd day, 2-3 times a month, you could easily multitask. Your kids can get involved. You can do this casually, leisurely. And my daughter, she loves putting the stickers on, the labels on. It's just a fun experience. All right, guys. So we're packing up yet another box. As you can see, a lot of stuff currently. So what we're doing is putting it all in order. And then we're going to check the sheet to double check that the quantity's here, and then we'll pack it up in a box. I'm hoping this will take no more than about an hour and a half. So let's go. You helping Daddy pack up another box? What are we doing? Putting everything in a pile, aren't we? We're getting the boxes open.
Wait, like that.
What? Yeah. Okay. Here. Put this one. Get that one open. Here, Apple. What are we doing? We're putting it all on the Amazon?
Yeah.
And why are we doing it for?
Because Daddy's the money man.
The money man. You're right. Well, now what's the plan? All these labels, you're going to help me put them all on? You ready to help me?
Yes.
Let's go.
We got loads of labels!
Q4 for me, no pressure at all. I had one little hiccup in my fulfillment center where I ordered the wrong goods from an online deal that didn't tie up with Amazon boxes, and I discovered that, and they had to sort out a return. It was a bit messy. But apart from that, touch wood, all their parcels are all shipped in, and they'll just continue shipping in because a lot of the stuff isn't seasonal. Not the toys are seasonal, they're all year round, but obviously there's a wee bit more emphasis on toys. So I am done in terms of me packing up, doing any online deals or any more local wholesale. I am done for this Q4. I'll probably pick things up again 20th of January and start dipping my toe back into the water. But it's such a nice feeling knowing that the money's rolling in every day. January, there's plenty of inventory in the warehouses. The fulfillment center is just running self-efficient now. It's purely based on just topping up more and more money, inventory lists, ROIs in and around 40%. It's just, I don't know. It's just been such a great experience. And this video is more me just sort of showing you how happy that I genuinely am from it. I'm looking forward to 2024. We're going to keep ramping it up. The wholesale just keeps on ticking along nicely. I'm not flat out at that. I really am not flat out at that. I try to spend a few hours a month, maybe trying to bring on a new contract, and that's very leisurely. I haven't done that since about July time. So I'm going to look at, January, February, trying to bring on more wholesale contracts, bit more diversity in terms of product. And then in Q2, we're definitely going to start the private label. I've actually been shadowing a great member of Deal Hunter. Shout out to Gary. Gary's been sort of, he's kind of our private label expert. He's done a couple of launches successfully, and I'm trying to learn from him. We're trying to construct a course, and we're hoping all that's going to come in Q2, Q3 of 2024. Deal Hunters is growing massively. Really excited about all that. The community is great. It just feels good. Amazon FBA has been a very, very positive experience for me. I'm a testament to just casually doing it. You don't need to make big, huge strides in it. You can just do it until you feel comfortable. Let it grow organically. Like I said, I started off with an investment amount of about £3,000. I've obviously taken that £3,000 out, and I have left every other penny in the business to organically grow. That is now sitting at the point where I'm considering, well, do I buy the let property with this? I've got the money now for deposits on houses. Do I expand this business further? And these are all things that your mindset can become. This isn't just about packing up boxes. That's not what we're trying to talk about in this channel. We're trying to teach you about world economics. We're trying to teach you about businesses. We're trying to teach you everything to completely change your mindset. So if you're interested in that type of thing, please like and subscribe. We're not just talking about top 3 tricks to make a few quid in FBA. There's a lot more to this. This business can grow massively, and I'm just going to keep developing my business, and I'm going to try and share as much of that content with you through my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in that type of video, please leave your comments down below. And I am a big believer in having a lovely work-life balance. I love my family, and you should too. That is the most important thing. But we do like to make money as well. But trying to find that balance. And for me, Christmas period, the kids, that comes first. So I'm going to be taking a bit of a break. But listen, we're not there yet. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep the money rolling in. Catch you in the next video. And if you're interested in starting all this, Deal Hunters is there. £5, guys. £5. We're giving you an access for £5. Click the link down below. Join the free Discord, or better yet, skip the whole thing, get straight into wholesale. With our link code down below, you will get 50% off. Catch you then.